and welcome to Interacty. Just signed up and wondering what to do next? Don't worry. We'll walk you through everything and help you create your first project. Once you log in, you'll land on your profile page. To get started, simply click the Create button. Here, you can either build your project from scratch or choose a ready-made template. We recommend exploring the template gallery. It saves time and might give you a great idea to start with. In the gallery, you'll find all kinds of interactive templates grouped by type and purpose. If you already know what kind of interaction you need, perfect! If not, just scroll through the categories and see what feels right for your goal. Let's say you want to run a giveaway for your customers. Great! Just head to the Giveaways section. You'll see many templates with different formats: spinning wheels, matching games, prize draws, and more. Click Preview to test any template and see how it works in action. Imagine you find a wheel template that you like, but you'd like to change the colors and prizes. No problem at all. Just click the Use This Template button and the project will open in the editor. To make changes to your project, just click Edit. From there, you can adjust the number of slices and add your own rewards or discounts. That's it. Easy. Now, let's look to the right side of the screen. Here, you can customize your project even further. For example, by updating colors or fonts to match your brand. You can also add a link to your website or enable a lead form to collect contact data from participants. Just fill in your details, set the fields you want, and it's ready to go. Once your project is set up, click Preview to make sure everything looks good. If you need to change anything, just go back and edit. And when you're happy with it, press Publish.
Don't worry, the project won't go public until you choose to share the link.
After publishing, you'll get a direct link to your interactive project. You can show it at a live event, send it to your audience, or embed it right into your CRM or landing page. You'll also get access to project statistics. Just click the stats icon next to the project in your profile. You can see how many people viewed or completed the interaction, how long they spent on it, who won if it's a game, and any data submitted through the lead form. That's it! Now you know how to create a project with Interacty to solve any business task. Explore the gallery, try different formats, and launch your first interactive experience that fits your business goals and helps you get real results. Interacty includes over 20 interactive mechanics, from games to quizzes to giveaways. They're used successfully in marketing campaigns, online promotions, employee engagement, and more. Good luck with your projects. And if you need any help, our support team is always here for you.